Yo, what's going on YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. So basically you want to come over here to the passenger side, drop the glove box. Once it drops, you see those clips. You just got to twist those and you got to take this arm off. So I always start with taking this arm off first. Come on. And that just unclips, easy. And then this, you just take that, you turn counterclockwise, drop that down. Same thing with this one, clockwise on that one. Drop that down, glove box drops. Those are gonna fall out, but it doesn't matter. I just normally keep them on the right side they came from. And cabin filter cover is right here. You take this, pinch, and that comes out. You see that's a little slot. So that slides in the slot. You pull that out, take the cabin filter out. This was actually not horrible. It's dark, but not horrible. And I always take the new one. You can see the color difference, just a little difference. Not horrible, but I'm in here and it costs labor, so you might as well replace it. So it's the same size. You take that and you slide the new one on in there. Get in there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry if y'all couldn't see that. So you just slide it in there like you took the other one out. You take the cover, you put that side in first, clip that into place. Boom, that's that simple. You take this, I lift this up and I always reconnect the arm first. Once I reconnect that, I grab these little clips and you gotta pull up on the glove box some. So it's gonna lean down. You wanna pull up like that before you install these. After you install that, so that's simple. You just go the opposite way that you twisted it out from, and still you got to lift up on this some, so it actually allows it to go in there. Twist, boom, and there you go. And that's how you do a cabin filter in less than 2 minutes. That simple. And then I always take the stuff out of the glove box. So put the owner's manual back in there. There we go. And that's how you do a cabin filter install on a 2017 Santa Fe, Hyundai Santa Fe. If I helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. It'll help me out. Thanks.